20 years for a test series in a couple of times in between, and I've got a couple of a little bit of swing first up for Tim Southee. We expect that.
Couple of changes for Pakistan. Sarfraz comes.
Width and put away. Too wide, and first boundary for Imam. Oh, gone, yeah, beautiful bowling. And Tom Blundell with the work behind the stumps. I'm not sure what Shafiq was doing there, but New Zealand have struck early.
What a start for...
Oh, another one. Another very ordinary option, you would say. And Bracewell's got his first in this test match. Pakistan lose their second.
Ajaz.
Nice off the back foot. Just using the depth of the crease. Stood tall and punches it for a boundary. Call for two. He'll get to the fence. Imam wanted two, but he's timed it so well that he's actually... Yeah, beautifully played. Both Babar and Imam playing really well off the back foot. That one whipped away leg side.
Oh, down. Good Jazzy, good Jazzy.
Smashed through the offside, just gave himself a bit of room, and well, Imam looks in great order.
Full.
Down the ground, it's in the air and gone. Tim Southee with the catch. Another one trying to hit over the top, trying to come down the track. Pakistan lose their third. This time it's Imam.
By Daryl Mitchell. So a wonderful start for Tim Southee and New Zealand and the two spinners.
Oh, JG.
Looking at those three wickets, Waka.
That's nicely played. Very, very nicely played. A little bit of time outside the off stump. Ball didn't spin that much. Rocked back. And another...
Straight into Ajaz Patel and had success. Bowled 2 overs himself, went straight to Bracewell and had success.
Short and put away. Very easy for Babar. This time he does put it away. Another gentle full toss and times it straight back past. Down the track this time. Once again, nicely timed. Ball races into the fence. Neil Wagner with a dive. Babar picks up another boundary.
Ominous.
In the last 5 years, no surprises there. Labuschagne, Williamson, Babar Azam a third. That's nicely timed. And that's into the gap. Another 4 for Saud Shakeel.
Yeah, searching for that shot. This time he got the gap.
That will be another 50 for Babar Azam. He loves this venue and the runs keep flowing for him here at Karachi. 27th half century to his name.
There's been a feature today in...
Right arm over.
In the gap. Now outfield quickening up here in Karachi and picks up another boundary, does Shakeel. In the air and gone. Perfectly placed. England have their... Pardon, New Zealand have their fourth. Saud Shakeel hits it straight in the air. Off the mark. off the mark with a nicely driven boundary. Sarfaraz Ahmed, first runs on home soil.
There's that sweep shot. And they'll run away to the fence. Nicely controlled.
Well, you'll see a lot of...
just drifting into the legs. He's trying to bowl straight, but that one just down the leg side.
Yeah, that's not a good delivery. That's an easy picking for Sarfaraz. Sarfaraz will love that.
Leg buys, and I think it'll be 4 of them.
Well, handy runs for Pakistan.
Nicely driven. I think it's got the power to get to the boundary as well, and it does.
It's the first time I'm seeing...
It's the big shot. And it's the big 100. It's Babar, and he's been absolutely brilliant. 9th century. What a class act. The 3rd in Karachi. And he gets a standing ovation all around. Nicely driven. Really nicely driven. Knelt in well with that shot, with that drive, Sarfaraz.
Nicely played. And he'll come back for the second, Sarfaraz. The outside edge found, but it's all around the ground and might just go to the fence. Too short, belted leg side. He helped himself to a boundary.
You're all too easy at the moment. He might be.
That's away behind point. And down to the boundary for 4 more.
Well, that's the issue with this sort of pace.
Short angled away, 2/3 man. He's got timing on that. Hits it hard over the top. Man who's batted almost throughout the day. That's a into the onside, gets to 150. Masterclass from Babar Azam.
Oh, wonderful bowling, and there it is. It's come a little bit later, but Mitchell has made up the drop catch of Babar Azam.
Nicely put away. Loose full toss for Bracewell.
Hit it! Oh, yeah.
And he will stay at 161. Pakistan have done extremely well